Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 GMC Sierra SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9883B. 28,000 miles on this local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Sierra brand new, dark slate metallic in color. You to receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper in Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Very clean inside and out. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. And power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera along with rear parking sensors, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Body is free of dents or dings. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Those power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. All the power outlets you'll need. Wireless cell phone charging. And lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding rear. Under the hood, this here has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.